Hey, Duncan Murdoch here from Nature Connection Guide. I'm here at Rock Point Trails doing a walk and getting ready for the Railyard Apothecary Winter Nature Mindfulness Walk on January 20th at 10 a.m. Oh, check this out. We got some fungi. Some beautiful fungi. It's very quiet here and very peaceful. I'd love for you to join. Check it out, natureconnectionguide.com, and sign up for the walk, and so we can deepen our connection to the natural world through the practice of shinrin-yoku. All right, well, I'll see you there. Thanks.